I'm going to start off with this exercise here. It might seem like it's just a paper exercise, but we're going to test it out on the equipment behind us. I've got this on this side, 10 times 2. Remember, we're very interested in equalities. We can do greater and less thans. When we've got greater and less thans, that's when we get things tipping over. But we want to talk about equalities. That's why we tend to discuss equations. So in this equation, on this side, I've got 2 times 10. That represents this big weight here. On this side, I'm going to move the 5-pound weight to the 2 position, which will go here. Now what the equation says, I need to add something to it to make it balance. So I'm just going to put the values in. $20 equals 10 plus n. So right now, because I'm a whiz at addition and subtraction, I know that this missing n is going to be 10. So when I move that 5-pound weight, I need to add 10 to the system. Now, the only thing that I have available to me right now is this 2.5-pound weight. So somehow I need to get this in order to make this work. I've got to get this 2.5 times another mystery number. In this instance, I'm just going to put in a question mark. 2.5 times something plus 10 will give me 20. I wonder if the real world will allow me to experiment and find out what that is. Okay, so I've got £10. That looks like this. Very heavy. That's at the 2 positions, so that's equaling 20. I'm moving this over here. So now the system is out of equilibrium because one side is greater than the other. I'm going to introduce this 2.5. I'm going to count it up. 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10. 2.5 times 1, 2, 3, 4 should give me 10. And when I add these together, again it's because I put it on this little notch, it's a very tight balance. I'll move it over just a little bit, it must have moved. I'll notch that just a touch. I get the balance I'm looking for. So you can, so what it's saying this is 2 times 5, so that's 5 plus 5 plus 4 of these, 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10. 10 plus 10 gives me 20. So the equation, what we did on paper, has worked out. So I'm going to be assigning for all children some of these equations. I'm just letting that tractor go by. I'm not quite sure what vehicle it is, but it's loud. I'm going to be assigning equations with missing numbers. And for other children, I'm going to be assigning equations where you've got to add things together to figure things out. Now you can go home and you can make yourself a balancing system like this. Very straightforward. Old knob handle, some tape, don't have any tape, permanent marker. This is an erasable pen. Get yourself a ruler, tape measure so you can measure out equal distances, and there you go. It doesn't happen, these happen to be 3 inches apart, or 4 inches. Just so long as they're all even, you can start playing about with balance and experimenting with things. So I'm going to stop right there because we're going to do some more fun in just a minute.